DS diving here, March 19th at Mental Floss. 32 Ortega. Slip C104. Can't do an after clean video. We've had her cleaned up a little good. I did leave a little spot over here. I just want to show you real quick. Got this scrubby and a brand new green one. This red scrubby's been worn and it's pretty fine. And this green scrubby's extremely rough. I'm just gonna point out some of the surface staining. This is all what I've cleaned already. You're gonna see it darker. Oh, great. So it's really not a big difference, but this is after I've scrubbed it down. This is not. I just want to point out that we absolutely can really just scrub it down on this. Get all of this off. Like that. It's going to wear down the paint fast. And then you're going to have the protection there. And you're going to get a great slime buildup, and it's going to be really bad. But besides that, she's looking really good.